Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem 1424, diagonal traversal 2. So for this problem, we are giving a 2D integer array nums, and we're going to return all elements of nums in diagonal order as shown in the below images. So for this problem, if you solve some similar problem before, normally you should know how to solve the problem because there's some properties about this diagonal. So for example, if this is a 3 times 3 matrix, so what is inside? So basically I and j, so the row is I and the column is j. So this is 0 0, so this I plus j gonna be 0, and for here I plus j gonna be 1, and here I plus j gonna be 2, and this position is gonna be 3, and this position gonna be 4. Yeah, so this means we can use a dictionary directly to solve the problem, as the diagonal is from bottom to top. So basically yeah, this is our diagonal. But while we are traversing the matrix, we are traversing it from the top to the bottom, so we just need to reverse the result from the dictionary. Yeah, now let's just try to solve it. So we're gonna prepare R and C. So the R gonna be length of the nums, and C gonna be the maximum length of num for num in nums. Yeah, so this means row, how many rows, it is according to how many subarrays inside. Yeah, and what gonna be the maximum length of the nums, it's gonna be the columns, because we're gonna use this kind of idea to solve the problem. Basically, we need to fill in the blanks with some like infinity or some other numbers, but that is not okay, because nums length and nums i's length is 10 to the power 5. So this means we cannot solve it by filling the some infinity, like yeah, like this one. So for example, we have such kind of a matrix, but there's nothing here. We cannot fill in the infinity because it's gonna have time limit exceeded. Yeah, so this means we can loop through the nums directly to solve the problem. Yeah, so we're gonna prepare a dictionary. It's gonna be default dict, and inside it's gonna be list. Yeah, now we're gonna use enumerate to check all the different cases. So for, let me use R, num in enumerate nums, and for C, n in enumerate the current num. Yeah, the num array. And now we have the current number, and we want to put it inside a dictionary. So drc gonna append this value. So the value gonna be n. Yeah. So after that, we're gonna check for kv in d dot items. We need to reverse everything inside of the dictionary. So dk dot reverse. Yeah. Now we have the dictionary, and we just need to put it inside of the result array. So for I in range R plus C minus 1. Yeah, so this is according to the maximum rows and maximum columns minus 1. That's gonna be all the numbers. That's gonna be all the numbers inside the matrix. So for example, this is 0, this is 1 1 2, this is 3 3, and this is 4. Yeah, so this is 3 plus 3 minus 1 5. It means from 0 to 4. We're gonna include all the possible cases. Now the result gonna, yeah, maybe we don't need to reverse it from here. Yeah, now the result gonna extend d with I, and we're gonna reverse it from here. So from here we're gonna directly return the result. Now let me just run it to check and submit it to check if it works. Yeah, now as you can see it works, and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is this one actually. It is 10 to the power 5. It is the sum of the nums i's length. Basically it is 10 to the power 5. So this is why we're gonna use the method directly to solve the problem, instead of fill in the blanks with the infinity or other numbers. We don't need to do that actually. We just need to, yeah, use our dictionary to solve it directly. I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.